Good morning and happy Thursday, pseudo Friday, because we have off both tomorrow and Monday. I'm here today to explain to you your assignment, which is going to be the notes on photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So earlier on in the week, on Monday and Tuesday, you really were centered on, in general, the cycles of nature being the water cycle, the carbon and oxygen cycle, and the nitrogen cycle. Today, you're going to be delving or taking a closer look in specifically about photosynthesis and cellular respiration, which kind of go hand in hand. So as you have done before, you're going to use the Google slideshow to learn more in detail about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. As you go, write down 10 main ideas or takeaway ideas from your learning, and that will kind of serve as your notes via that Google Doc. You're going to listen to the read aloud notes that I have attached to you. And then as long as you write down 10 complete sentences about your main idea topics, you'll get a 100 or a 10 in the grade book. So just to kind of give you a little feel for what you're going to be looking at. If you look right here, this is the notes. Again, we need plants and plants need us. It's kind of a cyclical process. They go in and they talk to specifically about the different types of autotrophs and heterotrophs. You can make your own energy or you need to go out and get your own energy. Photosynthesis is the essential understanding idea behind that. This slide down here is really important, so I'm going to stress it to you. This is what plants need, right? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. And plants produce oxygen and glucose. Okay, so that's really, really important understanding. All throughout the notes, there's also a bunch of embedded videos to help you. Okay, so as you go through, and then there's two different types of cellular respiration. There's anaerobic and aerobic, depending on if there is oxygen or if there's not oxygen. So that will kind of help you as well to go through that. So as you go through your notes, you'll again put your name, date, period, and then write down your main idea sentences, and then you can turn that in. So a pretty easy assignment for you today. I've also posted the read aloud version to you. So my favorite thing to do, or what students are telling me they like to do, they like to play the read aloud notes in the background and then have your 10 main idea topics right there in a split screen. And then you could just jot down those ideas or understandings that are important. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. So please complete that to the best of your ability. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And of course, have a wonderful 4-day break. And we'll talk again on Tuesday. Thanks.